They're in charge of policing Virginia's liquor laws, but should state ABC agents have the same power as police?
For the first time today, a group of experts appointed by the governor started to take a long, hard look at the actions of the ABC, an agency that has recently come under fire for the controversial arrest of two University of Virginia students. Melissa Hipolit is live to tell us what major changes could be on the horizon. Melissa?
Candace, currently nearly a third of what ABC agents do involves criminal enforcement. For example, arresting an underage student for having a fake ID. But those powers could be taken away by this panel if they give that recommendation to the governor.
Our interactions with ABC, at least, seem to be extreme.
UVA Student Council President Abraham Axler says students are still alarmed by the actions of ABC agents in Charlottesville.
I think the perception among a lot of students was they were acting way outside of how they should be acting with officers of the law.
Twice over the past 2 years, ABC agents have been investigated for their treatment of UVA students. In 2013, agents drew guns and swarmed a 20-year-old student's car after they mistook a box of water for beer. And then on St. Patrick's Day this year, UVA student Martese Johnson ended up with blood streaming down his face during a controversial arrest.
Well, we're obviously very troubled.
The head of public safety in the Commonwealth says an expert panel that met on Monday will consider whether ABC agents should even have the power to make those types of arrests.
Whether or not we want to even change that further will be a recommendation for the governor, and we're going to investigate that.
In the meantime, Brian Moran says agents will receive additional training specific to cultural diversity and interaction with young adults. But the mayor of Harrisonburg, who is also on the panel, says there needs to be a change in office culture.
I do need to know what made them culturally think I must use this much aggression in this instance. That has to be answered. If that's not answered, you can train them for hours upon hours upon hours, and you'll still get the same result.
Now, those answers may lie inside of an investigation recently completed by the Virginia State Police into Johnson's arrest. The Charlottesville Commonwealth's attorney is currently reviewing that investigation, and Moran says the panel will take a look at it at the appropriate time. Working for you tonight, I'm Melissa Hipolit for CBS 6.